girl. You're so beautiful. I feel so beautiful. I hope this is not a real song, cause I'm gonna get copyright. But it's not, cause I made it up. What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing a Halloween transformation, and I thought I would film it. I'm here with no makeup, obviously hair slicked back, because I'm not trying to put anything on before I start my makeup. I have to go run some errands first and just get some supplies that I need. It's not going to be a tutorial whatsoever. I feel like this is just going to be like a struggle video, and you guys are just going to come along with me for the journey. But I wanted to do a cute OOTD. I just have like an all gray on gray outfit today. Gray leggings from Forever 21. Rest in peace. It's closing in Canada, so I don't know what I'm going to do anymore. Gray Champion sweater and my fake Balenciaga. I actually wear these like so much, so if you see my last video, you wanted to know how like it worked long term, I wear them almost every day. I don't know why. Okay, let's go. Halloween City. So first of all, I definitely need a bald cap. Okay, I hope it fits my head because I have a big head, guys. I have my bald cap. I have a big jug of liquid latex. I've never purchased a big jug before, so this makes me a real makeup artist now. Okay, so my big camera's charging. We are going to flip over to that one shortly. So let's give you some background information. This is my inspiration. Okay, so my inspo is this, the Big Toe Monster by Ellimacs SFX. Obviously, she is so talented. I wanted to do just like a really gross zombie, and I couldn't find one gross enough. But this is like my vibe. I totally want to try to do like this color scheme, just make my face and skin just as gross as possible looking. So I don't have a wig. We're gonna figure it out. Let's get to it. That's all I have to say. Shout out to her. This is my inspo for today. Let's do it. I have a big head, and I found that I have an old bald cap, and I'm pretty sure it is the exact same brand as the one I just bought, so I'm stupid and I just didn't even see that I already had this. But the problem still remains that it doesn't fit my head.
I just don't get it. Why was I born with such a large head?
It's already starting. The struggle is already real.
Okay, I'm flipping over to the big camera. I have my bald cap on. I still have a full ponytail in the back because there's no way that's fitting anywhere, and I just don't care.
It's stretched so tight because my head is so big. I'm surprised it's hanging on, but it's hanging on. But I could not cover this. I'm already overwhelmed. I don't know where to start after this. I think I'm going to start building out like my top lip and putting fake teeth in. So for fake teeth, I'm going to be using... I have this set of fake nails, just the plastic like stick-on things. Okay, so here I have my little teeth lined up. I have the top and the bottom. I'm going to do about 6 for the top, 6 for the bottom, because that's what she did in her video. I have a cotton ball that I unrolled, and then it's going to cover my top lip, and then it's going to give it some like dimension. And then I'm going to get another piece for the bottom lip. So we're going to liquid latex this to my face, and then we're going to try to glue on the teeth onto that. I have my top teeth on, and I just did the cotton ball on the bottom lip, and so I'm gonna glue my teeth onto the bottom, but they're kind of hard to stick, and so I've been just using like cotton and glue, and I don't even know. Whoa, she need to go to the dentist. First of all, I got my teeth on.
Then I painted them with some teeth rot, and then some red from my little Cinema Secrets tower, and some brown also to make them extra dirty.
I'm gonna just go ahead and start to build the rest of my face. The video that I'm watching, she says that if you just put Vaseline on your eyebrows, it should be protected. Like, I'm gonna make a mess. Like, my whole face is just gonna be covered. Maybe I'll tape them. I don't know. I'll do some research and I'll get back to you. Okay, so I'm back. I did some research, and I came to the conclusion that
I don't really care, and I'm just gonna glue over my eyebrows with liquid latex because I don't know.
And if I lose my eyebrows, it's fine. I'll figure it out. Maybe I should start with like doing the eye holes, like just building out like around my eyes. Like, you know, just start to go for it. Oh my god, here we go. Okay, let's just do it. Come on.
Oh, it's kind of burning. Oh.
Just don't get it in your eye. Look at me. I'm gonna unroll my second ball. Oh, it burns the eye because it smells so bad. It smells like fish. I can't. I'm dying of laughter and I can't laugh. Let's just do it. I'm gonna go in with my finger and just start to smooth it out. You think I could get a boyfriend if I go to the club looking like this? Hello, I'm back. Okay, so on her video, I noticed she was making her prosthetics with this latex paste, which is where you mix it with flour, and I was like, why the heck can't I just put that on my face? Somebody probably has the answer to that, but I just did it anyways. It's actually working quite well, I would say. It made my whole process go a lot faster. This eye is kind of burning, that's why it's closed. I was able to like raise the edges. I'm like putting it everywhere way faster. My hair is still exposed, but oh, what did I do? Oh no. Anyways, there's just gonna be latex in my hair and it's gonna be fine. But look, like, I don't know if you can see, it's like building up nicely. You just use this spoon to spread it all over my face. Like, look at that. Guys, it's working. I have this gross texture to my skin. Like, everything is just going well besides this one hair that's poking out. I'm getting anxiety. I'm gonna put more Vaseline on it real quick, just in case. I'm so sorry, hair. I'm just gonna smooth it. Okay. I smoothed my hair down with liquid latex. Oh no. Oh no, okay. Okay, let's try to create a bottom lip here. I don't know how, I'm scared. Oh no. Oh, help me. Okay, everything's gonna be okay, guys. I don't know how you, oh no. This is thick. It's drying by the second. Okay, so. That was way faster and easier than covering my whole face in like other things. And like, maybe I'm gonna regret this, but maybe I'm not. I'm gonna come back when I think of how I can make lips. Here's my thought. I take the cotton ball and I like put the whole thing, drench the whole thing in liquid latex, and then I like mold it. I think I should probably turn the blow dryer on for a bit also while I think. Hello, I'm back. My technique worked, I think, because I have some lips going on. This is my top lip, this is my bottom lip. I can't breathe out of this nostril. I can't really breathe through my mouth. I'm relying on this little nostril right here. So now what I'm thinking is that I should go make some more paste and then cover up this, just kind of blend it into this, and this blend into that. Oh, my face is sticking to my face. And then I'm gonna cover my head a little more so that it's not so like smooth, and then my neck. So I'm just gonna go mix the liquid latex with the flour. I can't breathe. Okay, I'm gonna start by working on my mouth again. I think I want him to look like, it's not a bloody thing, but I want it to be bloody because I like bloody stuff. So hopefully like he just had a feast is like the look I'm going for. So I'm gonna do some like dark red and black, and then at the very end we'll go in with some blood, but that's kind of where I'm gonna start my painting. If you try this, try not to cover your nostril as much. Ooh, yeah, girl. You sexy. Oh, get those bloody teeth going. Yeah, mama. Okay, maybe I'll go in with my black while I already have it, and we'll start to do my eye hole sockets. I look bad. I feel like Jenna Marbles right now when she's trying to do stuff to her face. Like, that's what I feel like. I think I'll start with like a wash of gray. Ah, I don't know where to start. Oh, I'm scared. Okay, let's start down here so I don't feel bad if I mess it up. It's not bad, but it's not good. Well, I committed to the gray because like now I can't really go back. So I just have to commit. We'll just add other paint colors on top of it. You know what I'm saying? I feel like the paint job is like the most important part, and then I'm ruining it. I'm gonna try to go into all of my little cracks and crevices with these suckers, and hopefully it works out. I'm just gonna try it off camera and like focus for a second, and I'll be back. Okay, I am back. I still haven't painted my lips, but I did paint very time-consumingly all over with brown. I did a lighter brown and then a darker brown to kind of try to accent some areas, like give it dimension. She uses like a green, and so I tried making a green, but it looks too much like a grass green and not like a swampy green. But this yellow at the top of this tower is pretty swampy. So right now I'm experimenting and like giving this a light wash of swampy green. Every time I talk, I'm getting drool in this corner of my mouth, which is enjoyable. I'm so sorry that this is the worst video you've ever watched. I think I'm gonna do the whole lip red, and then I'll make it darker with black and like browns. Like red can be the base color at least, you know? I'm still drooling. That's the update. Okay, should I add some red maybe to my face too? Like where? Oh yeah, there. Just go for it. I can't make it any worse, right? And maybe it needs black. Maybe it just needs black. I look like a clown right now. Okay, I added some black. I feel like I'm liking it a little bit better. I'm gonna try to fix my eyes. I'm gonna like tight line them and add some black eyeshadow. This is really helping. I highly suggest not using that nasty cream paint on your eyeball because like it doesn't work. I'm gonna add some blood. Like I'm gonna make it look like I just ate a feast and that I am like living my best life. I am the best monster. I just ate some child's big toe. Like give it to me. Don't mind me, that's just my drool. Okay, so I have some bloody scab, which is my favorite because it doesn't really run. So if you are like going out at night, like highly recommend this because it's not going to make a mess everywhere. So that one. Or I have some red blood gel. So here's the gel. I'm just going to make this one kind of look like it ran down the side of my mouth. And then I'm going to grab my scab blend. And we're going to paint this one around the inners of my fake lips. And like if you're a good monster, you're really going to just get it all around your mouth too. Okay, here's a close-up. Okay, so I went to go take one of my hair extensions, and I just kind of, they're the clip-ons, so I just kind of clipped it to the bald cap. So I want this to look like stringy and strandy. I don't have any gel on me, so I'm gonna use Vaseline and run it through like strands of hair to make it stringy. Oh, I'm so disgusted. Yeah. I think I want some more blood. This one's just vampire blood. This one's really runny and it's like really bright red. So I don't know, but I just kind of want some to drip down all the way down, you know. Yeah, as you can see, really. No, I literally hate vampire blood with a passion. Okay guys, this is our finished look. It was a struggle, and overall I think I am happy with it. I wish I had some of those all black eye lens things. This is it. Okay, let's take you in for a nice little close-up. Really weird on camera. I feel like it looks way better in real life. I don't know, it's so bright. Like look at me in the mirror. I'm so much like darker. I'm way darker in real life, and the camera just makes me look like really light and happy for some reason. Thank you for struggling with me. I really appreciate it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Obviously I didn't teach you anything, but it was just for fun. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye! Happy Halloween!